heritage is our legacy from the past, what we live with today and what we pass on to the generation. So because shortcut करता आसतना थोडी हांव आमची जायती डिपार्टमेंट आहे फकत आमचे ही पॉलिसी करता आसतना आर्कोलॉजी आर्कायज वा गोवा गॅझेटेड डिपार्टमेंटाक कन्सिडर करना ते आमकां सगळे आर्ट एंड कल्चर इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिसिटी ट्युरिजम तांकांय घेवपाक जाय कित्याक ह्यो एक्टिविटीज TCP WRD PWD मायन्स पंचायत लोकल बॉडी घेवपाक जाय कित्याक ह्यो बॉडी आहाय त्यो रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहाय आमगे हेरिटेज सायट पेड्यार करपाक थोडी एग्जांपल दिता आसतना एट चिंबल माउंट कार्मल चर्च out of fence wall has collapsed, but the authority seems to be unconcerned about this. Casa de Palwara site at Panelli Raibandar is non-existing now. It is the protected site of Goa government. But can the archaeology department inform us where the artifacts that were at this place? I have raised this question in last monsoon session of the House, and I was assured by the Honorable Minister of TCP while replying to my staff LQ 4A dated 20 July 2022 in Archaeology Department that they will present the detail of that same session, but till date I have not got any reply. In fact, the site at Casa de Palwara had disappeared. It points to the real estate scam where some highly placed politicians were involved, and this needs investigation, Speaker Sir. Historical monuments are altered and tempered in the name of renovation. They are made to look like new monuments. The originality of the monument should not be allowed to change. The Aguada fort an original historical character has been completely disturbed by change of its roof, gates, rooms. It looks like a five-star hotel instead of a historical monument. It is again a very serious violation, Speaker Sir. A Delhi-based builder has cut a beautiful natural heritage hill at Vere to pave way for bungalows for rich non-Goan hills by cutting the hills. Recently, a cave in Daboni was filled by the Navy. Speaker Sir, private companies are writing to the government and taking over our forts and thereby changing the heritage character of forts. Example, Tirakal Fort. Modern tiles have been fixed. What is this, Speaker Sir? Worse is we have overlooked all the regulations and allowed to heritage by permitting the illegal bungalow at Old Goa Heritage, yes. World Heritage, which is still standing in spite of huge protest against it. It needs to be pulled down. It is a serious violation of World Heritage norms and archaeological rules. So, against such example, let me propose that what we need to do. I would like to stress on setting up a special body or board to spearhead the conversation effort by coordinating with all departments. Also keep an eye on damaging development work of line departments like PWD, WRD, Mines, TCP as an authority. The protected monument list of archaeology or the list of heritage sites at present only 5 by Heritage Subcommittee of TCP or Biodiversity Register or Biodiversity Management Committee of Village Panchayat are not enough. We need a single authority to keep a check on to deliberate on or intentional process of destroying our heritage. A substantial fund has to be located for the purpose of conservation. Currently, we see a lot of funds being spent on events, even in case of historical occasion, but there is no fund for actual work. I would like to know how much money was spent on celebration of Shiv Jayanti, anniversary of Shivaji Maharaj assuming power. We are more into wasteful expenditure. If there is a legacy of Shivaji Maharaja in Goa, let us preserve it, but do not waste money on it. We need to prioritize and define all the sites that are in danger of extinction and pay special attention to them.